Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I will guide you through the following steps to configure the A-host machine. So first we will set up a shared folder on the desktop with read and write privileges for anonymous users and enabling the FTP. Then we will install a FTP client on this machine. And lastly, we will ensure that the A-host is part of the AlphaCP domain. And the AlphaCP domain is installed on the A-LDAP server. So here I've installed the domain, it's called AlphaCP. And if you don't know how to set up a domain in this server, so go to Manage and add roles and features. Next. And here Active Directory, so check this Active Directory domain services and follow the setup process. So follow along for a comprehensive guide. Configure your A-host machine for optimal file sharing and domain integration. So let's get started. So here first, this is our A-host. First we need to set up an IP address. So if we check here, this server does not have any IP address, so we can click here once and install. And okay, the IP is 11.201. okay, subnet mask is this and 11.1. It's okay. So now we should be able to ping the A-LDAP server here, which is 11.101. Okay, that's good. The next step here, so okay, configure a folder. So we can do that. We can configure a folder, a shared folder here. So new shared folder for anonymous users. So share, so everyone. We can do it from security first. Edit, add, so everyone here. Okay, apply, okay, and then share with everyone. Read and write, share, yes, and done. And close. The next step is install and configure FTP client server. Okay, so here I have downloaded this, so we can install it for anyone. So here we click next and next, and let it install. And here we click finish. And here we can see that okay, our client is now installed and ready. The next step is, so now we need to add the A-host to the AlphaCP domain. And to do that, we go to the A-host here, and we click on the work group here, and then change. Here we change the name first, so A-host. And then we choose the AlphaCP and click OK here. So to fix that error, we need to add a DNS. So here we need to go there and add our A-LDAP server as our DNS for the A-host. So here, and click here again and add the DNS here. So our A-LDAP server is our DNS server. So okay, close. and back there, and click OK here. And now admin and password, click OK. So to fix that problem, I had to change the username from admin to administrator, because admin was a guest account on the LDAP server and the administrator is the administrator. So now our A-host server is joined to the domain, and now we need only to restart once here. So now we can check again the points on the steps that we should do done in the A-host. So first we configure this folder. We have installed the FTP client. We have a browser. We have a Chrome browser installed, and the A-host is now domain joined. So in the next video we will look at the A-LDAP. So we need to do some steps in the A-LDAP server also. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.